blackened seasoning. Let's start with 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 full tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now on your cayenne pepper, you want it hot, go a teaspoon. If you want it less, go half, 3/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 a teaspoon of white pepper. Now you know the thyme is what you really taste in there. So we're gonna go a half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of dry oregano, then we're gonna go a half a teaspoon of fennel, and that's what we've added. And I took my fennel seeds and I just basically, it takes a little work. I ground them up there, but I think it adds a nice little taste to it. So we're gonna take all those ingredients, we're gonna put them in our little bowl. We're gonna take our filet, we're gonna cut it into good serving type pieces. We're gonna cut any red meat off that might be there. That's the strong meat. Butter. I wish you could smell this. And we're gonna get those spices all over that. Then we're gonna take a hot skillet. I mean a hot skillet, no oil. We're gonna set that on the fire. Then we're gonna take our fish, we're gonna pop it in there. We're talking about 1.5 minutes per side. When you pop it in there, you take a dollop of butter, melted butter, and put it in there. It's gonna flare up a little bit, but that's gonna help get that taste and caramelize everything on there. About 1.5 minutes per side, then you got you some blackened striper. Now again, this is popular down on the coast with redfish, but